Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel to help us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up while you're watching. Today we're doing a unboxing, but this is going to be a little different than normal. If you're new to the channel and you've never seen me open a ThredUp, typically what I do is I bring a denim ThredUp box upstairs after Keith has washed and dried the contents. And then I go through each pair, talk about the brands. This is a teaching channel, so I try to teach as I unbox. It's not just an unboxing. And I keep track of which ones are poop, which ones are bread and butter, which ones are the Bolo brands. And at the end, I figure out the cost of each piece of clothing or each piece of jeans. Each piece of jeans. Sometimes they send shorts and denim jackets too. This time, I'm not going to be able to do that because my denim boxes are all messed up, mixed up, messed up. What happened was I ordered 3 50-pound denim rescue boxes when they had a code back in October for 15% off. It was pumpkin. And so for $35, I got the 50-pound denim rescue boxes rather than $50 and then plus shipping. However, they ship them weird. Normally they come in a big box. This time they came in smaller boxes than what I'm used to seeing. And part of the order was in a poly bag. So instead of 3 50-pound boxes, I got 3 boxes. I don't know how much each one weighed, plus 3 giant poly bags. So there's 3 boxes and 3 bags. It's all mixed up downstairs in the basement. And Keith is just washing it and drying it and boxing it up in these boxes here. And I'm just going to bring up a box at a time and go through it with you guys. And we can talk about what I got. But I can't really keep track. I don't even know which ones came in which bags at this point. It's like I said, the way it was shipped, kind of got everything got mixed up. So we're just keeping at least we're keeping the denim rescue boxes from ThredUp separate from our other thrifting stuff. And it's getting brought up here in these boxes. So it's all been cleaned. Keith has seen it. I have not. I have no idea what's in here. I've never seen him do that. Actually, I would be curious to know. So let me know in the comments. Have you ever ordered a box from ThredUp and received part of it in a smaller box and part of it in a poly bag? I mean, this was 3. This was 3 boxes and 3 bags for 3 boxes, essentially. But we'll go through what I got here and talk about it. If I do pull out any new to me brands, I will do the screen share at the end where we comp them together and learn. So the first pair I have is Liz & Company. This is kind of a poopy brand. I wouldn't source it if I saw it out of the thrift. But these are size 16 women's, which is a plus size, so that's okay. I do try to list everything I get from these boxes, from any wholesale purchase, really. I try to pinch every penny of profit that I can out of it and make as much money as I can. So even though sometimes you get stuff that maybe things you wouldn't necessarily choose or thrift if you were out in the wild, you still want to list it and make as much money as you can. Since these are plus size, I'll probably list them for like 10 plus shipping. These are Levi's trousers. I'm going to show you the tag. There's the carved trouser. Levi's. Probably about 10 plus shipping. We do $9.99 shipping, so that's a $20 pair of jeans. American Eagle size 0. You guys know I love American Eagles all day long. 10 plus 10 shipping is what I'll list those for. These are Walmart's, but they're plus size. So this is something I would actually pick up in the wild. People think I'm crazy. But I will pick up these Walmart brands if they're plus size and they're 99 cents because I can sell them for $20 to $25 and they move pretty quickly. These are also shorts, which I've said before. Sometimes denim shorts will do better than jeans. So these will probably go for about 18 to 20, all in plus shipping. All right, these are shorts as well. Kind of a poopy brand, but that's okay because denim shorts are their own entity, and sometimes they do better. We've got, oh, I've never heard of this. Asos. ASOS. We'll look these up at the end together. Tara and Sky, 16 women to 18 women, so like a 1X. So these are plus size. These are also a Walmart brand. This is another example of a brand I would actually pick up in the wild and sell for about 20 to 25 all in. Did we already look at these? We did. I just didn't toss them good enough. Ooh, Paige jeans. I like Paige. These all start around 25 plus shipping. My arm is already tired. It's like I worked out. These are button fly, cut off denim shorts. Levi's 501, so that's good. These are probably like going to go up for 30 plus shipping maybe. I'll have to do some research, but I'm pretty sure that the 501s are the more expensive ones. We've got, this is a boot brand. It's Wild Fable, but this is like a really small denim skirt. So I could probably get, 18 out of this, like 12 plus 6 shipping or something. We've got a denim coat by J. Crew. That's pretty decent. J. Crew is a bread and butter brand. A lot of people don't like it, but I think it's a decent bread and butter brand. It still has a really good following on Poshmark and does well over there. This is probably like a $20 to $25 plus the 10 shipping. Then we have INC ink, whatever you guys want to call it. These are kind of poopy, but oh, wait a minute. This is not jeans. Denim maxi skirt. So it's full length. It's maxi. That's a good keyword to use. I also like to use the word modest on these. There are certain like branches of religions like the Amish that still wear the modest long skirts. And so that's a good keyword to use. This will probably be like $10 to $12 plus 10 shipping, even though it's a poopy brand. I love the long modest skirts. All right, these are kids. I can already tell you because I can see the little elastic adjustable waist. These are kids' Gaps. I usually do about, like 10 to 12 all in for these. They never weigh a pound. We've got 7 for All Mankind, which is a decent brand. Of course, you want to find the dojos, but the ones that aren't dojos will still sell for about like 25 plus shipping, so 35 all in. The dojos are more like 60 to 80, but those are harder to find. This is a brand I've never heard of, so we're going to look this up together too. It's called Silver Lake. I've got a pair of maternity shorts here by Oh Baby by Motherhood. So those will probably be like 16 to 18. They also have a fuzz. They have a big fuzz. All right. Got LA Idol. Meh. It's kind of poop. But they're nice looking jeans. Looks to me like they're trying to look a little bit like True Religion. You see that? That almost looks like a horseshoe. But clearly it says everywhere on the tags. These are LA Idol. We'll show you the back and the front, or the inside tag I meant. I'm going to comp those though. I haven't seen those in a long time. These are poop. LAI. It's kind of poopy size too, size 11. It's going to be harder to move. I'll still list them though. I got to get every bit of profit I can. We got a couple more in this box. Earl Jean. Talk about your poop brand. Size 14 though, so plus size. It'll help them move. Abercrombie and Fitch, I like that. It's a good bread and butter brand for me. Moves pretty quickly. Got some more shorts here. These are Old Navy's. Happy with that. We've got Massimo denim, size 16. Guys, I love Massimo. It's a Target brand, but it does have a solid customer base and following. Plus, those are shorts, you guys. Denim shorts are awesome. This is a Walmart brand. No bow, no boundaries. And it's not plus size. It's size 15. Well, kind of a plus size for juniors. And then we have some shorts. Old Navy Boyfriend. So I'll take those. I love Old Navy. Boyfriend's a good style. I love shorts. Levi's 501 button fly cutoff shorts. So again, I'm pretty tickle pink with these. Let me show them to you. Banana Republic. I mean, it's not too bad, but they're kind of poopy and they're going to take a while to move. But I'll list them. And a pair of American Eagles. All right, so we got some pairs here to comp. So let me share my screen with you real quick. And we'll look these up together and see what we see. So let's look up these first. These are the Silver Lake. They're spelled weird too. And these are women's, I believe. Yeah. Silver Lake women's jeans. Oh, well, who knew? I'd never heard of these before, and I totally expected them to be poop, you guys, but these look like bolo jeans. These look like money jeans. And those of you that are familiar with this brand were probably yelling at the screen the whole time, like, Star, they're money. Yeah, I would say. So I learned something today, and this is why I like getting ThredUp boxes, because I learn new brands all the time. So this is a really good brand. I got a big money brand. It's not even just a bolo. I mean, that is big money. Big money. I'm pretty sure that these are going to be like bread and butter. Yeah, that's fine. Bread and butter is the staple of our business model here. And then I have ASOS. Let's see what's that. Bread and butter. So that's pretty okay. I'm really excited about those Silver Lakes, though. That is a new to me brand. And I love when I get new to me brands in my ThredUp boxes that turn out to be really great. Because one, I make more money, but two, now I have a new brand to look for, to keep my eyes out for. I learned something today. Always be learning, guys. All right, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything you saw in this video today, let me know down in the comments, or, if you have anything, questions about reselling or anything, I guess. I do answer everyone. If you want a quicker response, join our Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.